friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, I do a variety of different stuff, obviously mostly related around beauty, but I do have some mid-sized fashion, some lifestyle stuff. Basically, I'm a working mama. I don't have a lot of time. I love to do this so that I can help other women like me who are busy, don't have time to spend a whole lot of time researching stuff, letting you guys know what works for me, what doesn't work for me. One thing that I highly and strongly encourage on my channel is for you to leave comments if you disagree with something I said, or if there's a product that I said was great and you think it's different, or if something worked for you or didn't work for you, please leave your comments below and let other viewers know. I mean, I look at, like, when I go to Amazon and I look at the reviews and everybody says it's fabulous, I'm like, okay, it's fabulous, I gotta get it, and vice versa. So I want this to somewhat be like Amazon, where if you're scrolling through the comments and you have people that disagree with me, well, maybe this product isn't going to work for you. This is just my opinion, but I value everybody's opinion. So if it works, doesn't work, please leave your comments below and let other viewers know what you thought of it. So today is going to be a technique that I've been doing that I really have been liking. And it is the easiest placement for bronzer. So I know a lot of people, if you're not big into like the makeup world, or you're not sure exactly how to apply certain things, like bronzer and contour can be really overwhelming. And so for me, when I saw this technique, I was like, okay, this is just, I hate to say dummy proof, but it is just really easy. And even though I feel like I know how to apply bronzer and I've been doing it for a long time, I have been using this technique and really liking the results that I've gotten. So I wanted to share it with you guys. In case you're looking for something different, definitely give it a try and see if you like it better than your current method. Or B, if you are scared about bronzer and you're looking for a really super easy method, this is going to be helpful for you. So I'm going to be using my Saint products. So if you don't know what Saint is an all-in-one compact system. Everything that I need of my face is right here in this compact. It is super travel friendly, it is affordable, and it's 100% customizable. So even though this is the stuff that I choose to travel with, you can go a little bit low or, smaller, you can go bigger. It's basically whatever. Each of these tins are sold individually, so you can figure out what works best for you, and that's where the affordability comes in. These products will last you a long time, but it's 100% customizable. So lately, I have only been doing bronzer, and this is the bronzer that I use, which is Bella Bronzer. It is probably, I'm going to go out on a limb and say it's probably the most universal bronzer that we have, that Saint has. You can see here, it is well loved. I love it. I use it every day. If you're not sure, like with bronzer or contour, I always recommend, if you're like, hey, I'm not sure, I'm not really big into makeup, I always recommend bronzer because I think it's the easiest than contour, but it also really does warm up your face and kind of take it to the next level. So kind of creating that dimension. So basically what I've been doing is I've been taking my smudge brush. So this is supposed to be, I think, like an eyeshadow brush, but I love it for what I'm going to do now. But I also use it, I've been taking Bella and kind of putting it on my eyelids and then going in with this color right here, which is Angel's Landing, and kind of putting it on top of it. And I've been loving this combination. But basically, and you can use any brush. I mean, honestly and truly, you can even use your finger for this method. But I find like the smudge brush picks up like the perfect amount of product. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put kind of like a C, boom, right there. Now, you'll see some of the methods where it's like a 3, where you go room. I don't like to put bronzer right here. To me, if I'm gonna try to chisel my jaw out, I will put contour. I don't necessarily put bronzer. I will bronze up my neck and I'll show you what I do there. But basically what I've been doing is taking this, and then I go in with my blush and bronzer brush. So this has the big end at the the top, bottom, whatever. And this is what I use for my right here. And then this is the end that I use for bronzer right here, but I also use it for blush, and I'll show you that as well. So basically what I'm gonna do is I first start with kind of a patting motion. What I'm doing is I'm kind of stippling it into my skin, but I'm also trying to warm up the product. Another tip is, because these are cream products, they are very susceptible to temperature changes. So if you are, you're in a warmer you're in a warmer climate, or you are keeping your house a little bit warmer, these products are going to be a little bit creamier and a little bit easier to apply. Vice versa, if you're in a colder climate or your house is 68 degrees like mine, it's going to take a little bit to warm them up. So what I generally like to do, and we'll do it on this side so you can see, is I'll put it on and then I'll let it sit there. And I'm just letting my normal body just kind of warm it up. So you can just kind of let it see there. So I'm gonna go back to this side and I'm just, again, patting this in. And you can see how it's warm, it's blended out, it's pretty, and it was super, super easy. I didn't have to worry about it. Now, normally what I do is I'll take this and put it like there, but the problem with that is I don't really have control of the product. It's grabbing it, and you could probably use a little bit more product. What I'm gonna do now is, what I will go in with is always wanna warm up my neck, because generally my neck is, for whatever reason, a little bit lighter than my face, and I'll just take it here, and then I'll take my big brush, and I'm just making sure that it's blended out. And that's how easy, 1, 2, 3, that you could do with warming up your neck. So then, now that this is all kind of warmed up a little bit, again, I'm gonna go in and I'm just patting it in. And then sometimes I bring it over to kind of create that little bronze look on my nose. For whatever reason, I'm super red today. I just finished some coffee and I think that the caffeine is just making me all flushed, which is weird. I don't even know if that's a thing, but that's what I feel like. I feel all like hot. Maybe I'm having hot flash, I don't know. But I'm just gonna take it like that. And you can see here, look how easy that was. You don't have to be a makeup artist to get your bronzer to look really natural, really, really pretty, and really easy. And that's the thing that I love about cream products is, if you're somebody who has maturing skin like me and you're looking for a product that's going to make your skin shine from within, that's going to work with your skin instead of putting it on top of it and like having a mask, the Saint products, these cream products are it. Easiest bronzer placement ever, one and done. If you're somebody who's struggling with makeup, this is gonna be super easy for you. If you've never been color matched and you're interested, I will put my jot form down below. You just submit a photo with yourself in indirect bright light, like this window right here, with no makeup. You send me those photos, and then I will be able to create a custom color match for you with colors here, similar to this, that will work for you. So usually what I do is I will recommend a brightening one, a main highlight shade, which is gonna be your foundation shade. I will recommend any color correctors if you have like severe dark eye circles or severe redness. And then I will recommend a bronzer and a contour. So out of those recommendations, you choose whatever one you want. If you want to do the contour, not the bronzer, or the bronzer instead of the contour, it's your custom compact. It's whatever works, but I am here to help you along the way. So if you are looking for a Saint beauty artist and you've never been color matched before, please, please, please click my jot form down below. I would love to be your Saint artist. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other tips about applying bronzer, please leave those down below. If you try this method, you hate it, you love it, you're like, it's okay. Please leave those comments down below and let other viewers know. But until next time, bye.